This was a mistake. Okay. Bring the electrotronic chokes plugged in. Bring it the thunder. Battery's good-ish. Kind of surprised at that. I'll leave it on the high idle for a bit. Colder than a penguin's, never mind. Pecker, that is. Started actually pretty easy though. Gotta love that electric choke. Oh, look at this. You just go ahead and, you know, it'll come around. You just gotta sometimes you gotta, yeah, running rich, it's fine. Bring it off the high idle. Oh, it's might be leaking a little. Maybe that's just as it warms up. It'll, you know, it'll come around. But it's cold. It is cold. The crap I do for YouTube. You better like and subscribe now because I'm freezing. So is the truck. I guarantee you the clutch is stuck. Guarantee it. Guarantee. Let's see if we have a clutch. What? Okay, so I got a clutch apparently. It'll come around. It'll come around. It'll, you know. There it is. Okay.